Hello everyone, today we are going to solve the equation x plus 6 equals minus 3 using algebra tiles. So x plus 6, let's show that we have x which is positive and we have 6. So on the left hand side we have x plus 6 and on the right hand side we have negative 3. So we are going to put 3 negatives. Now the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Now let's get rid of this 6. So for that we need to put 6 we need to put 6 negatives to both the sides so that the equation remains unbalanced. So same thing we are going to add to the other side. So now we are getting 0 pairs. So the positive 6 is going to get vanished. Yes, so we get x equals negative 9. So I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.